assessment asks us to rationalize why alpha and gamma keto acids do not undergo the decarboxylation reaction. Recall that the decarboxylation reaction requires that 6-electron aromatic transition state in order to occur. It needs the 6 atoms in the ring in order to have that 6-electron aromatic transition state. And if we look at the alpha and gamma keto acids, we're going to find that those do not have that 6-electron aromatic transition state. With the alpha keto acid, there's not that CH2 group in between the 2 carbonyls, and so this system is too short to have a 6-electron aromatic transition state. With the gamma keto acid, there's too many atoms between the carbonyls, and so that system is too long to have a 6-electron aromatic transition state. Because neither of these molecules can undergo that 6-electron aromatic transition state, neither the alpha nor the gamma keto acids can undergo the decarboxylation reaction.